All right, here we go. We're gonna go for a spin in a 1969 Ford Bronco. These are super popular now. It's hard to get them that aren't all beat up. This is a good one. This is a two-owner vehicle. I've got the original window sticker, and the purchase order was purchased at Crenshaw Ford in Los Angeles, California. It's been here since day one. Still has the original blue license plates on it. Great truck. It's got some modifications done to it. It's original motor still, a 302. It's got air conditioning. It's got converted to an automatic transmission, so it's got that cool low car shifter. It was a stick shift car, vehicle, but they're a lot better when they're automatic. Of course, four-wheel drive. It's got a nice little center console here with a stereo in it. It's got disc brakes up front, power disc brakes, power steering. It's got a bunch of cool lights on the outside, old school stuff, you know. We used to light them up real good when you go out four-wheeling. It's got a tow package, got a big winch up front. But a lot of money was spent on it underneath. All the axles were going through, shocks, brakes. Just trying to bring it up to speed. Nice paint, like a medium blue metallic. Pretty nice. I have an original steering wheel for it too. A refurbished one, I guess, or a reproduction. That comes with it, in case you want it. But a lot of neat stuff done to this vehicle. Oh, there's a cool car, look at that. Little GTO. Anyhow, we're gonna go up here, we'll take some more pictures for you, some more video, a little bit more on the description. All right, check out this really cool 1969 Ford Bronco. These are awesome vehicles, man. Take them off-roading, go to the snow, go to the sand, little short wheelbase. You know, for a small car, got a big motor, 302. This one's got some upgrades to it. It's got the high lift jack that mounts to the side there, color matched to the body. Heavy duty step bumpers with a tow package. Got a little rear light there. That's cool though. That's the original license plates from 1969. Like I mentioned earlier, I have the original window sticker and brochures, all kinds of stuff for this vehicle. California truck since brand new, so which is nice. That makes them, most of the time, makes them rust-free. It's a non-rusty vehicle, real good shape. Got 5 of those deep dish steel wheels with BF Goodrich TAs. I think they're 32s. Heavy duty winch up front. Show you the interior. Interior's pretty stock, except with the exception of the seats. So nice, comfortable headrest seats. It also has 3-point seat belts for safety. Little headrest seats in the back too. Custom steering wheel. I have the original style steering wheel for it that comes with it too. The door panels are nice. Carpet is new. It's got this really cool thing in the center. You can lock up your goodies. There's a stereo in there, CD player. So they didn't cut the dash up. So it's still got the original AM radio in the dash. AC, you know, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. That's what everybody wants in a classic car or a classic truck. Pretty cool. A really great looking vehicle though. Nice paint too. Older paint, but nice. A little medium blue metallic. Here's the power plant in the 69 Bronco. There's the original 302 in there. Little 2-barrel carburetor, which is brand new. It's got power disc brake upgrade up front. C4 automatic transmission. Nice aluminum radiator upgrade with a little catch tank right there. Air conditioning's been gone through. It's got AC. Nothing wrong with that. All pretty stock under here other than that. It's got the updated rams that hold the hood up. A little better than the prop rod. It still has that too, but that's factory. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Fire right up. Motor's nice and quiet. Stock exhaust manifolds on there. Nice dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Got little steps up there too, so in case somebody's got a little trouble getting in and out, it's a little easier. Sounds great. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. And my name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the vehicle in person. Thanks for watching.